Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly reading for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus Rising for the month of January 2026 for your health, your career, and your finances. This is a general reading. Please keep that in mind. It might or might not resonate. If it doesn't, just it's not your reading. Okay. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. And tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass links are given below in the description box for the same. Let's see what we have for you guys for your health for this month. Aries, Aries, for your health. We have the moon card. You guys will be having some kind of issues that you will not be able to pinpoint, like put a finger on, like this is something that's happening with me in my health. Some kind of unknown fears, unknown health issues, something that you might not be able to understand what's actually going on. It's mainly fear of something bad going on or something happening. It might be a very simple thing, but your mind might take it as something that's unexplainable, or something that you cannot understand. For some of you, it's like you guys are going to have bad dreams, or subconscious fears coming out via your dreams or something like that. It's like something that you cannot pinpoint, but there is something that you are going to be quite uh, uncomfortable about. Okay, so if there is there is something that is happening again and again and again, you should connect with a medical practitioner or a doctor for that, right? Instead of always creating stories and scenarios in your head. Let's say you had cold and flu and you googled it and you found out that it is cancer, but it is actually cold and flu, and then your mind is creating stories and scenarios that you are about to die or something, right? So don't listen to Google. Guidance here is Queen of Cups. Yes, like take care of yourself. Your self-love, self-care, self-healing is going to help you a lot. But apart from that, take help from somebody who can help you to figure out what is going on. For most of you, it's an emotional issue. Emotionally, you are not happy. That's why you are trying your best to just keep your emotions to yourself. You feel like not projecting your energies on anything or anyone else. That's why it's difficult for you guys to let it come out. Okay, but take care of yourself. It might not be anything life threatening or something, but it can become something really difficult to deal with if not taken care of properly. Yeah, especially if it is a persistent issue, it keeps on coming back to you, whether it's mental, physical, or spiritual. Yeah, emotional maybe. For those of you who are working for others or doing job, we have the Magician card for you guys. So you guys are manifesting something here. Your manifestation will start coming to fruition. It is going to take for your manifestation to come to fruition actually, but it will start like giving you hints, that you are on the right track. So something related to your manifestation when it comes to your job or career area will start moving forward in your favor, slowly but surely, very slow but sure energies. Guidance is the Nine of Cups. Keep your heart open and keep going. Do whatever it takes from your side in order to achieve the manifestation, achieve the goal of your manifestation, whatever you are trying to achieve here. So inspired actions and a proper opening up your heart is required in order to move in this direction to get your manifestation in the 3D world. Open heart, positive mindset, inspired actions. And whatever you're manifesting in your career can come to fruition by the end of this month. Okay, awesome. Let's see if you are self employed or doing business. We have the Strength card. You guys are going to take a maybe break, or you guys are going to feel like right now, even if you are putting in so much effort and energy in a situation, things are not working out. It's not a permanent delay or something. It's like you guys are going to be forced to take a step back and understand the whole situation, the whole dynamics from a different perspective maybe, or whatever you are trying to do right now is not working out. So the universe is kind of going to give you this break kind of thing to understand what works for you and what doesn't work and what you should do about it. Instead of taking it as a punishment, Take it as a protection from the universe's side, that universe is trying to protect you from something that might become very, very difficult to manage or handle in the coming future. So this break, this pause is required in order to understand what's important and what's not that much important, and what you should do and what you should not do in this department of your life. Guidance here is Queen of Pentacles. Yes, whatever you have, whatever experiences, whatever wisdom and knowledge you have achieved till this point of your life, in this department of your life, in your business or self-employment thing, use them to your favor. Negative experiences, positive experiences, and don't overspend. Don't be in this energy of, okay, if this is not working out, let me jump to another business thing just like that, without proper planning, without proper understanding. Don't do that. Take your time, use your wisdom, your knowledge, your experiences to your favor, and you will be able to figure out a solution very, very soon. But don't jump into another thing, another career opportunity, another business thing just for the sake of start doing something in your life, because it can create more problems in your life rather than making it easier for you. Okay, try to understand the point here. So if you are like a fresher seeking for a new job or new business or new career opportunity, whether you are a fresher or not, but let's see, doesn't matter. Three of Pentacles. With the help of someone, maybe with the help of a group of people, you can join a community, or you can join like a job fair or something, or like where other business people are also coming and you guys are having meetings and all that thing. There are very good chances that with the help of another person or with the help of group of people, sorry, you will be able to start or restart your career thing again, whether you are complete fresher, whether you are experienced, doesn't matter. There are good chances of you getting some kind of work opportunity irrespective of your status of business or job. And it is going to happen where there are group of people are all or are there, or you have to take help from somebody who can help you to go through the process of interviews or something like that. Taking help from someone in this regards is definitely going to be helpful for you, but take help from the right person. It's not like you're going to, if you want to apply for the post of MD, you are going to talk to the peon and then you are going to blame the whole divine, oh I tried. No, it's not like that. You have to reach to those people who can actually help you. Okay, okay, my love. Guidance is the Judgment card. First of all, you have to remove all the self doubts, all the like self imposed blockages that you are continuously imposing on yourself all the time, that oh maybe I'm not that much good, maybe I'm not that much worthy, maybe I'm not ready. This on this you can work, but if you are going to continuously feel you're never going to be ready. Okay, sometimes we just have to take the steps before we are going to be ready. Okay, so make sure that whatever you are going to do, you are going to be confident enough, and you are going to have that understanding that you can do it. Okay, sometimes lack of self-worth is the main issue that people are not able to understand, and then they suffer a lot. Cool. Let's see for your finances what we have for you guys for this month. Ace of Wands. You guys are going to be quite excited, quite passionate about having about starting a new saving scheme, investment scheme, or something like that. Or simply you guys will be able to add more into your kitty when it comes to your savings and investments, and you guys are going to feel very happy, very content, very passionate, and very much in this energy of, okay, this is something that I was wanting to start from a long time and finally it's happening. It's just the start of something brand new. Maybe you are going to add 10 more dollars in your kitty for your savings or investments, but whatever it is going to make you feel excited. It is just the start of something brand new when it comes to your finances, and it will start working out fine, but eventually you have to like take care of it, right? Obviously, all of us. Guidance is the Three of Swords. Don't try to like put too much money into one thing, and look for long-term investments instead of shiny things. All that glitters is not gold. Okay, it is. Try to understand the point here. You might end up investing in stupid things. You might end up investing in those things that are not going to give you shit in return. So it's better for you to understand all the pros and cons before you are going to invest in anything or anyone. Maybe you are going to invest in a person, they are going to grow your business or something. Don't do that. Okay, so only invest in glittery things or too good to be true things where you can handle the losses if you want to. Otherwise, it's not recommended at all from anyone on this planet Earth. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a medical practitioner. Whatever I'm telling you guys, it's just out of purely tarot based. But the guidance is always helpful if you listen properly. So if you are going to invest in too good to be true good kind of schemes, if you are going to invest into something that you are going to regret later on, try to understand each and everything before you are going to jump into anything stupid when it comes to your investments. Okay, it's like you are going to be very excited, you are going to be very passionate about starting or restarting your business or your financial thing, but it can backfire if not taken care of properly and honestly. Okay, my love, so thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.